My name is Madison Yeager. I attend the Temple Paul Mitchell Partner School, and I'm one of the first 100 contest winners.
My name is Cami Armstrong, and I'm currently a student at the Temple Paul Mitchell Partner School in Frederick, Maryland, and I am one of the first 100 contest winners. What motivated me to raise the money for this charity is that I love helping people and giving back to the community.
I wanted to help with the success of the charities that we were donating towards. And number two, I saw it as a great opportunity to seek education in Beverly Hills. When I first found out about the first 100 contest, I figured everybody would kind of jump in and jump on that boat, and I thought spots would fill up super fast, which they did, so it was really exciting when I found out that I was chosen as one of the first 100 contest winners.
I did not think I was going to be one of the first 100, but I worked really hard to present the opportunity and say yes. The charity that I raised all of my money for was the Children's Miracle Network. The reason why I chose the Children's Miracle Network is because help kids live healthy lives, really.
The greatest takeaway that I had from this experience was, one, it felt good helping other people, and number two, I got to learn from it. The other first 100 winner from our school is one of my best friends, so we had a blast in Hollywood. I did get to meet Miss America at the Gala, so that was a pretty cool opportunity as well.
My Gala experience was unique. I was very starstruck just because I heard all of the people that were attending, and a lot of them are idols that I've looked up to, and a lot of them I just learned about this past year, but it was still cool nonetheless. Let's see, I had a few fangirl moments. When Berlin took the stage, that was like a setback, throwback, way back. John Paul, obviously. And Angus Mitchell, that was kind of cool too. I don't know, I had a lot. Martin Parsons is like my new favorite person. He's a master at updos, and I wasn't really confident coming in to his class. I had no idea how to do a lot of updos, anything about updos really, and I left going home being able to do any updo, or at least trying new things out and being more confident and more knowledgeable in them.
The day of education with Mr. Martin started with breakfast. They fed us really well there. And then it was an upstyle class, so we learned a lot about pinning. And upstyles was something that I didn't feel like 100% with before attending his class, so I did take a lot away from that class, and I learned a lot that I have been using here at home. And then after Martin's class, we had guest speaker Patrice Washington, so that was really cool, really motivational, and it really kind of got us set straight so that when we came home, we had a really good kind of newer start to our journey at the Temple.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all of our donators that made this journey possible. We really appreciate it.
For allowing me to donate to this charity that I hold so important to me.